Member for Eglinton-Lawrence.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'd like to introduce, I move that leave be given to introduce a bill entitled Jayesh's Law, an act to amend various statutes and with respect to workers' safety at service stations, and that it now be read for the first time.
Good deal, good deal. Mr. Colle moves a leave be given to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend Various Statutes with Respect to Worker Safety at Service Stations, and it now be read for the first time. Is it the pleasure of the House the motion carried? Carried. Member for a short statement.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'd also like to mention that Jayesh Prashapati, who this bill is named after, his sister Vipa is here, Vipa Prashapati, brother-in-law Hemant Kumar, and Jayesh's young 11-year-old son is here for his dad, Rishabha Prashapati. Welcome to Queen's Park. Mr. Speaker, this bill amends various acts with respect to workers' safety at service stations and other places that sell fuel at retail. The Employment Standards Act 2000 is amended to prohibit employers from penalizing employees if a fuel theft occurs while the employees are working. Secondly, the Highway Traffic Act is amended to provide that a person's driver's license is suspended if the person is convicted for an offense involving the theft of fuel. And thirdly, the Occupational Health and Safety Act is amended to require employers who engage in the business of selling fuel at service stations and other places that sell fuel at retail to require customers to provide payment before they're given fuel. The Act is also amended to require employers to provide training to employees involved in the sale of fuel at service stations and other places that sell fuel at retail. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.